Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a Vedic Maths trick to find the LCM of any three numbers. So let's get started. The question is 27, 23 and 15. Now we have to take the biggest number, which is 27, and divide that by the first number, 23. We know that it goes only in one times table, so 1 into 27 and 1 into 23. Now again the biggest number with the other number, 27 by 15. We know that goes in 3 times table, 3 into 9 is 27, 3 into 5 is 15. We can cancel out the 3's and we can cancel out the 1. Now do the cross multiplication, which is 27 into 23. So it is 2 2s is 4, it will be 20, and 7 3s is 21. So it will be 621. Now the same way, 27 into 5 or 15 into 9, the answer will be the same. It will be 135. Now we have to take the answers, that is 621 divided by 135. And we know that this goes in 9 times table. That is 9 times 69 will give me 621. Likewise, 9 times 15 will give me 135. I can cancel out the 9's, and 69 and 15 I can further do it with 3 times table. 23 times is 69. 3 5's is 15. Again now I can cancel out the 3's. Now we can cross multiply. You can do it like 621 into 5 or 135 into 23. The answer will be the same. And the answer will be 6 5s is 30 plus 1 is 31, 3105. Therefore, my LCM is also 3105. With a lot of practice, this method is very easy. I hope you liked this video. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and support me. See you all in my next video. Until then, take care and thank you for watching.